Mr. Wow. Hiker, get the right way. Is the last rapid is a roller coaster, and after continue this last rapids, you catch 80, and gay raft is floating down all the way. Mr. Gopal Dai, he was on a gear boat, and mountain river rafting in November 19th. We hit the roller coaster. Is there nice hills? Let's see, gear up is down paddling already, and Mr. Shankar, he ready to paddling down. Everyone exciting. Give a high five. Oh, nice hot paddling. I think they go all the way right, so that they go upstream paddling all the way right middles. Coming down, paddling. I guess they're gonna make a flip on the right holes. Nice boom. Here you go, upside down. Here you go, upside down. It's floating down. Everyone have a right white water swimming position. Here you go. Nice, Shankar to try to climb up. Here you go, one kayaker, rescue them. Mr. Shankar, he climb up and rest up there. And the boat. Maybe I have to walk all the way down or swim. You're going to do flips. You turn the boats, but one person is very hardly to turn over. Two-person get off down. They all the way swim. Reflip again. Hopefully they have a good shower in the roller coaster. Everyone get happy. Extreme, boom, wild, mountain river rafting. Is it good experience? Hopefully everyone's have a good experience, and I have a good swim from all the way down there.